Retell lecture is one of the trickiest tasks in PT speaking. You have to listen, take notes and speak all in a very short period of time. But here is the good news. It is also one of the most predictable types of questions. Today I'm going to share 7 golden rules that will completely change how you approach retell lecture. But before we start, I have been teaching PT and IELTS for over 11 years. If you find this video helpful, do subscribe. That will encourage me to make more videos in the near future. Thank you. First, understand the task. You will get 2 to 3 retell lecture questions. You listen to a 60 to 90 second lecture, take notes, and then have 40 seconds to retell what you heard. Here is what makes this task special. It's a cross score. It gives marks to both speaking and listening, so doing well here boosts 2 scores at once. Scoring is based on content, how will you summarize, pronunciation, clarity, and fluency, smooth rhythm. Golden rule number 1, don't try to remember everything. The lecture is 60 to 90 seconds long. You can't write down every word. Focus on the main topic and 3 to 4 key supporting points. Listen for the speaker's thesis. What is this lecture about? What are the 3 main ideas they are presenting? Ignore names, dates, and examples unless they are absolutely central to the lecture. Nobody can remember everything. Nobody can imitate it perfectly, and you don't have to do that. PT is not examining that. PT is simply examining how well you can, retell the lecture in your own words. And when you do that, you just need to mention the main points. You don't have to give all those tiny details. Golden rule number 2, take notes using keywords only. Don't write full sentences. You don't have time. Use abbreviations and short phrases. For example, if the speaker says, the government should invest more in renewable energy because it reduces carbon emissions, just write GOVT, invest renewable, reduce CO2. Aim for 6 to 7 keywords or short phrases. That's all you need to build your response. What you have to do is you understand the lecture, you just write down some keywords and you just make sentences out of that. You understood the lecture, you have the notes, you simply need to say it in your own words. That's what you have to do. You have to be good at making sentences, that's true, and you have to understand what the entire lecture was about. But you cannot write everything, and if you try to do that, you will not do well in retell lecture. Just make notes and make your own sentences. That will be more than sufficient. Golden rule number 3, use a simple template. There is a simple template that works for almost any lecture. The lecture was mainly about topic. First, the speaker mentioned point 1. Furthermore, they discussed point 2. Finally, they concluded that point 3. Plug in your keywords and speak naturally. You definitely can use this template. Why? Because this doesn't contain much words. You have to add lots of the words from the lecture. That's why this works. But I strongly warn you to not use the template that you have downloaded from the internet and that contains lots of words. I'm repeating this again and again. I said that in summarize written, summarize group discussion, respond to a situation, describe image. Why did I say that? Because PTE has changed its examination pattern. That means now we have human interference as well. So if the AI feels like you have just memorized the template and lots of words are repeated in all questions, then your score will be hampered for that. That's why use a very simple template and use more words from the content or from the lecture or whatever you are presented. That will be more effective than using template that contains lots of words. Golden rule number 4, fill the time. You have 40 seconds. If you stop at 25 seconds, you are losing points. Aim for at least 35 seconds. If you run out of things to say, restate your main point to summarize the lecture focused on or overall the speaker discussed. That's what you can do. Sometimes you don't succeed to make lots of notes and you might wrap up your response in 20 seconds or 25 seconds. When that happens, you have to keep speaking. Then what are you going to speak after then? You just can repeat the same thing in different words. All right. If you do that, you'll be scored very well. But don't say the same things again and again. That's why it's important to use a simple template. If you're using a simple template, you can modify it immediately. But if you're using a template that contains lots of words, you will be repeating the same thing. That's why it's more important to learn to paraphrase, to learn to compose your own sentences than using the same template for all types of questions. Golden rule number 5, never stop speaking. If you forget a key point, skip it and move on. The AI penalizes hesitation more than small errors. Even if you think you misunderstood the lecture, just keep talking. A fluent response with some mistakes will score higher than a hesitant, incomplete one. You can say things that were not said by the speaker. You can say wrong things. That's completely fine indeed. You don't have to be 100% correct in terms of content as well. You can say this and that. Even when you realize that you're saying things that were irrelevant, you have to come back to the main topic and you have to keep speaking. But you should not stop speaking. Golden rule number 6, use connectors to link your ideas. Words like firstly, furthermore, in addition, finally, and overall make your speech sound organized and structured. This shows the AI that you can present information in a logical sequence, which boosts both your content and fluency scores. Use these connectors and flow naturally. That will make your speech spontaneous. It will flow very naturally and that will work. But you don't have to use the same connectors. Be natural and use the connectors that are helpful to connect the ideas. Golden rule number 7, practice with variety of topics. Lectures can be about almost anything: science, business, history, psychology, technology. If you only practice one type, you'll panic when you hear something unfamiliar. Use APUni or any other platform. They have hundreds of lectures on different topics. Practice at least 2 to 3 lectures daily. If you are a student of science, maybe you are only interested to listen the lectures about science. If you are a student of business, maybe you are only interested to listen about business, but that doesn't work. Even if you're a student of science, you might be given a lecture on business, and if you don't like it, it's your problem. That's why it's important to practice all these varieties of lectures, because you have to be comfortable with any kind of topic. If you do that, definitely you'll be more comfortable with all kinds of topics. Now let's talk about the common mistakes that most students make. Common mistake number 1, taking too many notes. If you're writing, you're not listening. Write only keywords. Mistake 2, trying to memorize the lecture. That's impossible. Focus on the main message. Mistake 3, speaking too fast. You're not in a race. A steady pace is better than a rushed one. Mistake 4, forgetting to breathe. If you are out of breath, your fluency suffers. Now, let's recap the 7 golden rules that we just discussed. 1, focus on main ideas. 2, take smart notes, keywords only. 3, use a template. 4, speak for 35 to 40 seconds. 5, never stop speaking. 6, use connectors. 7, practice with different topics. Master these rules and Retell Lecture becomes one of your easiest tasks. Which topic do you find hardest? Comment below and I will reply with your tip. Subscribe for more PT strategies and I will see you in the next video.